Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to tell you how to make a paper wallet. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So here I have a A4 size craft paper. You can use any A4 sheet or a newspaper for this. So now I just fold this craft paper like this into half. Now open it. Now this line should touch to this line. Like that you have to fold. Like this. Same thing you have to do here. Now just fold this like this way, so that it becomes like this. See, it became like this. Now open one side and fold it once again into half, touching this line. Touching this line. So fold it. Now fold it back in the same manner. See? Now open this and fold little amount of this like this in the side. Same thing do on another side. Just fold it like this. Now take the glue and stick it like this on both the sides. Now here we have sticked, right? Now take the glue and stick it like this. Here, everywhere you have to apply glue. And stick this like this. And just give a nice press. Now let the gum dry for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Now 2 minutes are done. It has dried completely. Now fold this paper like this into half. You have to fold it slowly. You have to give a nice press because many papers are there, right, to fold. So now you see our wallet is ready. Here I'll open. You can keep your note here, and here you can keep your coins. See, our wallet is done. Now let's decorate it. So here I will teach you how to decorate also. Okay. So here to decorate you will need a scale, a black marker, a whitener. Here you can use even a white marker. Here I am using whitener because I don't have white marker. Then you need a pink color marker. So let's get started. So first I'll remove these things. Now take the scale and black color marker. Just see that how you're drawing, the way you're drawing is correct or not. Now you have to draw like this, okay, where there is open, right? That should become in the top and this should be in the bottom. See, now take the scale, should be in the bottom. See, now take the scale and put lines on the sides like this. Do this on all the four sides. Now you see I have just put lines over here. I think you can see. Now let's draw two round eyes. Okay, so I'm using the marker to draw the two round eyes. You see I made two round eyes. Now just color it inside with the same black marker. Now here I finished coloring both the eyes with black. Now here I am using white marker, means whitener I am using, you can use white marker, and make two rounds inside the black eyes like this. Now here I have drawn the eyes. You see here I have made two rounds, one small and one big. It just look like a cute eye. If you are a girl or gifting it to a girl, then draw eyelashes like this on both the sides, both the eye. If you are gifting to a boy, then eyelashes are not needed, or you can change the design if you don't want like this. Now let us draw the mouth. So I will make a small mouth here, okay? In mid you have to draw one straight line and a curved line touching both the ends of. Now let us draw the mouth. So I will make a small mouth here, okay? In mid you have to draw one straight line and a curved line touching both the ends of the line. Okay, see, a mouth is done. Then make a curved line inside the mouth and just color it away. Then the remaining part you have to color it using a pink marker. You see the mouth is looking cute, right? Now this you can give to a boy. Now if eyelashes are removed, then you can give it to a boy. If eyelashes you want, then you can give it to a girl. Now I'll draw the pink cheeks by using pink marker on both the sides. See, wallet design is done. It looks cute, right? For gifting the boy, you can just draw a tie over here. It will look beautiful. Wallet is done. It's ready for use. You see, and here. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my craft, then please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video. So meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.